Hello, I'm Vlad here and welcome to lesson 20 of this course. In this course we'll go through using the graph tools. So let's start with the first one called column graph tool and draw something. And then you see we got a table that we can edit. So let's 2, 3, 5. So I'm just inputting some values here. And you can see that you can see the cell size, number of digits, column width. We also got the ability to import data, to transpose rows. Let me show, yeah, and reverting and applying. There you go. You can put the most things in here, of course, if you want. But we got a basic idea of how this is going. And if you're doing statistics works with Illustrator, this is a very good tool to have. The next one is called the stacked column graph tool. And again, we just draw. We input some values quickly. And we click apply. So this allows you to stack on top of each other. And it's very useful as well. Pretty similar to the other one. Okay, let's delete this one as well. And then we see the bar graph tool. We draw one. Again, we input some values here. And you click OK. As you see, in this case, the bars are horizontal. The controls are pretty much the same as the other ones. So we can move on. Let's delete this one and we draw another one. This one is called the stacked bar. Yep. And we can again input some files here. And we click apply. As you can see, they are stacked. The controls again are the same, so we just move on. The next one is called the line graph tool. We will be inputting some values here. Okay, and click OK. And this allows you to draw lines and show you a very nice line graph. We can put, of course, more here. And there we go. You got more lines. If you want, we'll close this and move on. Then we got the array graph tool. So again, let's input some quick values here. Doesn't matter what you do. Just have something so it can work with. And there we go. An array graph tool. As you must have noticed, this is very easy. And we'll just go over everything quickly. That's it. This is how it should work. We got to the last one, pie graph tool. And we can input numbers. As you can see, the rows define how many areas you have, and columns define data. So if we click, we can see the effect. This is very useful, especially if you try to combine it, maybe with the 3D tools and make some 3D graph illustrations. That could work. The next one is the radar graph tool. So let's just do something here. Again, let's input some values. And click OK. And there we go. We got the radar graph tool. One last thing I want to show you is go to Object, Graphs, and you can choose Type. If you want to add a drop shadow, edge-to-edge lines, and add different other effects to each one of them. Of course, some of the art will be different. Choosing sides, you can choose value axis, you can go to tick values, tick marks, like none, short, full width, add labels, category axis, and so on. You can choose the ratio, and for the ref tool you can choose like this. Now they added the drop shadow to it. And you can disable it if you want. Just go to graph, type, and click OK. Then you have data, which is the same. You have design. You can choose a new design. Okay. You cannot use partner this time. And then we got column and marker, which is currently disabled. Okay, you got the hang of the graph tools, and we'll be moving on to lesson 21. Thank you.